Hi, this is Dr. Rajeshwar from YR PharmaTube. In the previous classes, we discussed the definition, historical background of antibiotics, and history of beta-lactam antibiotics. The links are available right below this video in the description. Watch them. In this video, we shall learn the structure and nomenclature of beta-lactam antibiotics. Structure of beta-lactam antibiotics. Beta-lactam antibiotics are characterized chemically by the presence of a beta-lactam ring. A beta-lactam ring is a cyclic amide with 4 atoms in its ring. Cyclic amide is an amide in which there are 1 or 2 carbon chains connecting the carbonyl carbon to the nitrogen atom. See the structure of beta-lactam given. It is named beta-lactam because the nitrogen atom is attached to the beta carbon atom relative to the carbonyl. The second carbon is an aliphatic carboxylic acid that was designated alpha, and third beta, and so on. Thus, beta-lactams are 4-membered rings, gamma-lactams are 5-membered rings, and so on. The beta indicates that the amino group of the amide is at beta position from the carboxyl carbon. When the amide nitrogen has substituents other than hydrogen, we specify them using the prefix nitrogen to avoid confusion. The simplest beta-lactam possible is 2-acetidinone, and this is the contemporary name for the beta-lactam ring system. Thus, in other words, they are characterized by the presence of an acetidinone nucleus containing the carbonyl beta-lactam. Beta-lactams represent one of the most important groups of antibiotics prescribed for antibacterial treatment today. Nomenclature of beta-lactam antibiotics. Beta-lactams are classified according to their core ring structures. Number 1. Beta-lactams fused to saturated 5-membered rings. These compounds are of pinams, carbapinams, and oxapinams. In pinam, the beta-lactam ring is fused to thiazolidine ring. In carbapinam, the beta-lactam ring is fused to pyrrolidine ring. And in oxapinam or clavum, the beta-lactam ring is fused to oxazolidine ring. Number 2. Beta-lactams fused to unsaturated 5-membered rings. Here we have pinams and carbapinams. In pinams, the beta-lactam ring is connected to 2,3-dihydrothiazole ring system. And in carbapinams, the beta-lactam ring is connected to 2,3-dihydro-1H-pyrrole ring. Number 3. Beta-lactams fused to unsaturated 6-membered rings. In this case, we have cephams, carbacephams, and oxacephams. In cephams, the beta-lactam ring is fused to 3,6-dihydro-2H13thiazine ring. In carbacephams, the beta-lactam ring is fused to 1,2,3,4-tetrahydropyridine ring system. And in oxacephams, the beta-lactam ring is fused to 3,6-dihydro-2H-oxazine ring. And lastly, the beta-lactams that are not fused to any other ring are named monobactams. By convention, the bicyclic beta-lactams are numbered starting with the position occupied by sulfur in the pinams and cephams, regardless of which atom it is in the given class. That is, position 1 is always adjacent to the beta carbon of beta-lactam ring. The numbering continues clockwise from position 1 until the beta carbon of beta-lactam is reached, at which point numbering continues counterclockwise around the lactam ring to number the remaining 2 carbons. For example, the nitrogen atom of all bicyclic beta-lactams fused to 5-membered rings is labeled position 4 as it is in pinams, while in cephams the nitrogen atom is position 5. The numbering of monobactams follows that of the IUPAC. The nitrogen atom is position 1, the carbonyl carbon is 2, and alpha carbon is 3, and the beta carbon 4. Remember, not all beta-lactams end in silin or pinam or start with ceph. This is the list of references followed for the lesson. That's all in this video, the structure and nomenclature of beta-lactam antibiotics. In the next class, we will discuss the stereochemistry and classification of beta-lactam antibiotics. Till then, never stop learning and never stop watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.